Hello, I'm Finite Zero, though you already know this, and welcome back to Some Generic Reviewer. The next product we're going to take a look at is Microwaveable Original. I can get to some stupid light. Microwaveable Original Mac and Cheese. It's from FredMeyer, and it's basically like those little cup easymac things, except generic-ish. I already cooked it, as you can tell by the little fork in it. And let's try this out. That's okay. When I have the easymac things, it tastes a little better. Then again, I usually put Velveeta in my mac and cheese to make it better, so can't really say it's on base level. It tastes better, but for what it is, it's okay. If you want to, if you want some cheap mac and cheese quickly, then go ahead, get this. Ciao. This is Some Generic Reviewer, and I have some generic catchphrase.